Consequently, we announce that our protests will resume on Wednesday, 19th July 2023. In the meantime, we proceed with the collection of signatures against Ruto on both digital and manual platforms. We notice the Communication Authority has joined the war against Kenyans by trying to cripple our digital signature collection platform. But we will fight and soldier on while we put CA on notice. We know that the KK regime has panicked and they are trying to block this process. There is no looking back. There is no turning back. We see you on Wednesday. Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, please deliver the good news on Jubilee. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Omarwa. As you are aware, or all of you are aware, during or early this week, we were treated to some drama within the political parties' dispute tribunal. Decisions that they arrived at were very funny. We had a majority of 4 agreeing with some allegations that were put before them, and a minority of 3. But 3 things I want to say. One, that in the history of the tribunal, we have not seen a split decision. This was the first time that we had a decision of 3 or 4 versus 3. And it was also, the dissenting team also had an opportunity of presenting their case, but that notwithstanding, we moved to the High Court this morning, and I'm pleased to inform you and all members of Jubilee and Azimio fraternity as a whole that we were granted orders by the High Court this afternoon, and the orders are to the